The story of AI, uncovering its real impact. Everyone knows about AI, but not everyone knows its story. Hello, I'm Vlad, a marketer with more than 10 years of experience. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating journey of AI, from its early beginnings and evolution to how it's revolutionizing marketing today. You'll see how AI helps brands personalize experiences, automate processes, and predict trends. Watch till the end to discover the future of marketing with AI. The history of AI. Alright, let's rewind to the 50s, the very beginning of AI. Back then, computers were massive, slow, and full of blinking lights. But a few brilliant scientists had a crazy idea. What if machines could think, learn, and solve problems like humans? Early AI couldn't do much, maybe simple calculations or solving basic puzzles, but every tiny success was a step towards something revolutionary. Those experiments planted the seeds for a technology that would eventually change the world forever. By the 60s, AI started gaining attention in universities and labs. Researchers created programs that could play games, solve math problems, and even prove simple theorems. It was slow progress, but the excitement was real. The dream of thinking machines was becoming more than just an idea. AI was no longer just a dream on paper. The first sparks on machines that could actually think were flying. And that was only the beginning. In the 70s and 80s, AI went through its first big challenges. Computers were still limited, and many of the ambitious ideas couldn't be fully realized. This period, sometimes called AI winters, slowed progress, but they didn't stop innovation. Scientists kept refining algorithms and exploring new ways to make machines smarter. By the late 80s and early 90s, AI started showing more practical results. Expert systems emerged, programs that could assist doctors, engineers, and businesses in making decisions. It was clear that AI wasn't just a fantasy anymore. It was slowly becoming a tool that could change industries and everyday life. The evolution of AI. Alright, now let's fast forward a few decades. AI started growing up and showing its true potential. Back in the day, it was super basic, just simple rule-based programs following instructions. But over time, things got way more interesting. AI learned to see by recognizing images, listen by understanding language, and even predict what might happen next. It wasn't just about doing calculations anymore. AI started solving problems only humans could handle. And the crazy part, it was learning faster than ever. What used to take hours now could be done in seconds. Suddenly, this nerve experiment in a lab was no longer confined to science papers. It started slipping into our everyday lives. From suggesting the perfect movie on Netflix, helping doctors spot diseases, to powering smart assistants in our phones. AI was everywhere, quietly shaping the world around us. And the best part, this was only the beginning. The tiny spark from the 50s was turning into a blazing fire. In the future was about to get even wilder. By the 20s, AI had advanced even further. Machine learning and neural networks allowed computers to learn from massive amounts of data, spotting patterns and making predictions humans couldn't. Suddenly, AI wasn't just a tool, it was becoming a partner in problem solving. Today, AI touches almost every industry, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. It's helping humans make smarter decisions faster and more efficiently. The humble beginnings in the lab had evolved into something that could truly change the world: AI and marketing, personalization and automation. Now let's talk about marketing, where AI really started to shine. Marketers quickly realized, wait a minute, this thing can analyze tons of customer data and figure out exactly what people want. And that's when personalization became a game changer. AI started showing people the right products at the right time. Whether it's a Netflix recommendation, a suggested item on Amazon, or the perfect ad popping up on social media. But it didn't stop there. AI also began automating tasks that used to take hours: writing ad copy, sending emails, managing campaigns. Imagine this. Instead of spending days trying to figure out what works, marketers now had AI as their secret weapon, reaching the right audience, boosting sales, and saving massive amounts of time and resources. And here is the exciting part. AI is constantly learning and improving. Every interaction, every click, every purchase helps it get smarter. That means campaigns aren't static anymore. They adapt in real time, getting better and better, so brands can stay ahead of trends and truly connect with their audience like never before. AI didn't just make marketing smarter, it made it faster, more precise, and insanely effective. Want more videos like this? Like this video, write comments, and subscribe to my channel. AI in marketing, analytics, and prediction. Alright, now we are in the future of marketing, and there is where AI really becomes a superstar. Today is not just about automating tasks or showing the right product. AI is predicting trends before they even happen, analyzing campaigns in real time, and helping brands make smart, strategic decisions. Imagine being able to see what your customers want before they even know it themselves. That's what AI can do. Brands can now connect with people on a deeper level, understand their behavior, and stay one step ahead of the competition. AI has gone from a tool to a full-on partner, guiding decisions, shaping strategies, and making modern marketing smarter, faster, and way more effective. Honestly, if you are not using AI in marketing today, you are already behind. And the possibilities keep growing. AI can spot patterns humans might never notice, helping marketers create campaigns that truly resonate with their audience. It can also simulate outcomes, so brands can test strategies without wasting time or money, making decisions more precise than ever. Plus, AI is constantly learning from every interaction. That means marketing strategies evolve in real time, adapting to customer behavior and market trends. It's like having a marketing genius on your team, helping brands stay relevant, competitive, and innovative in a world that never stops changing. The future of AI beyond marketing. Now let's take a peek into the future. And trust me, it's wild. AI is no longer just a tool for analysis or personalization. It's starting to think creatively, make decisions, and even generate content like humans do. Imagine AI helping design entire campaigns, write copy, create videos, or predict consumer trends months in advance. Brands that embrace AI in the next few years won't just be smarter, they'll be faster, more adaptive, and able to anticipate their customers' needs before anyone else. From fully automated marketing strategies to AI-driven product development, the possibilities are endless. And the most exciting part? This is just beginning. AI will keep evolving, learning from every interaction, and shaping industries in ways we can't even imagine yet. The future isn't coming, it's already here. And the companies that harness AI effectively will lead the pack. From its humble beginnings as a simple scientific experiment, AI has come a long way. What started in the 50s as a dream in the minds of a few brilliant scientists has grown into a powerful tool that touches almost every part of our lives. Today, AI isn't just about computers doing calculations, it's about machines that can learn, predict, and help us make smarter decisions. And in marketing, AI is a total game changer. It doesn't just handle boring, repetitive tasks, like sending emails or managing ads. It predicts trends before they even happen, personalizes experience for each individual, and gives brands the insights they need to make smarter, data-driven choices. Think of it as having a super intelligent assistant who never sleeps and always knows what your customers want. The future of marketing isn't just coming, it's already here. And AI isn't just a part of it, it's leading the way, changing the rules of the game and showing us how much smarter and faster marketing can really be. And hey, if you haven't seen my last video yet, go check it out. I break digital marketing for beginners, tutorial, secrets revealed, No fluff, just real tips you can use right now. Click on it, give it a watch, you will love it. See you soon. Bye.